Hello everybody, welcome back. It's been a while. These are the ringtones on the Panasonic Cordless phone. I am not sure what model it actually is, but it's I think it's like 15 years old about. It's a pretty old landline phone, but to navigate the menu, you do menu, pound, 1, 6, and then 1 is to start them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 'If I'm not mistaken. That's the one we want, and then you press hang up to end. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to leave a like and a comment, and have a nice day.